A resume is an important tool that helps your potential employer see who you are, what you're interested in, and what you're looking for in your career. Having a good resume can mean the difference between landing an interview or not having an interview at all. Stay tuned to discover 3 tips on how to write a quality resume.
Hi, my name's Tommy Sim. I'm the founder and managing director of Inject. We're an RPO, which means a recruitment process outsourcing company, an extension of our clients' team to find them talent. This channel is for people who are that talent, who are students or graduates looking to become high performers. We're going to give you tips on how to get there. Our job is to give you the gold nuggets. Your job is to make sure you don't have holes in your pockets.
My name's Morgan and I'm an associate here at Inject. I work with a number of small to medium businesses to help them hire and assess the right people. I've spoken to many graduates, and as a previous graduate myself, I know how difficult it can be to write a resume and submit your application. So why is it important to have a quality resume? With any hiring process, there are many different touch points that can help you have an impact on a potential employer. A resume essentially acts as a way for you to send that initial message about who you are and what you're about. So why not represent yourself in the best light possible? Include all of your previous work experience, even if you don't think it's relevant. As a graduate, you might have worked across a variety of different roles and different industries. For example, you might have worked in retail or hospitality part-time while you were completing your studies. That's okay. Something that your potential employer is going to value are those transferable skills, even if you feel like the industry you've applied for doesn't really match up with your work experience. With graduate roles, employers aren't necessarily looking for someone with experience, but they are looking for someone with potential. By detailing all of your work experience, even the parts that you feel are irrelevant, you're actually showing your potential employer that you've been out in the workforce and that you have the potential to work for a new company. Use words and phrases that make sense to you. A common trap that people fall into is they think that by using larger words, they sound more knowledgeable. With graduate roles, it's also likely that your employer is going to be looking through a number of applications, so by using simpler words, your resume will actually be easier to read. Another reason you should use words that you understand in a resume is that the resume will sound more like you. People also tend to use complex words to make themselves sound smart, but in actual fact, by using simple language and being able to explain technical concepts in simple terms, it shows that you have a really solid understanding of the concept. Structure your resume so it's easy to read and be mindful of the length and the reader's engagement. As a graduate, you might have worked on some really interesting projects or taken a part in some great initiatives. While these are super important to include in your resume, something to be mindful of is the level of detail and how this will affect the reader's engagement. Often, with graduate positions, employers are looking through a number of different applications, so by keeping your resume concise, it'll help you stand out and will make sure that you're able to get your message across effectively. It's also important to stick to the set structure of your resume. So with each heading that you have, make sure that all the content under there actually matches that heading. So for example, don't put a uni project that you've worked on under your work experience. It's also important to use dot points or short summaries to highlight the most important messages in your resume. Keep your resume to 2 to 3 pages in length at most. As you now know, having a quality resume is an important part to help you land that graduate role. A resume is essentially the first touch point that your potential employer sees, and it represents who you are and what you're looking for. The most important thing is to make sure that your resume sounds like you. So when you hit that apply button, you feel proud and know that you've represented yourself to the best of your ability. For those out there who are working in the recruitment industry, what additional tips would you give to graduates when they're applying for entry-level roles? Let me know in the comments.
If you found value in that content, remember to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get these videos ahead of the pack. Thanks for watching and see you next time.